work is really a celebration of the characteristics of Yanchep. One thing about public art is it really gets to celebrate either the local history, the environment, or different characteristics about a place. But the tubes are also undulating, and I wanted to create something that was suggestive of the landscape but not literal. So these waving forms that appear with the hanging tubes are also reminiscent of the shapes of the sand dunes, the waves in the water, aspects of Yanchep's environment. The colours are representing the characteristic sand found in Yanchep and also the limestone of the caves. And I was really interested in the sunset and how that hits the sand dunes in the evening, and it gets quite a strong glow. So there's a range of golden glow featured in this artwork. So the process was that I did a series of sketches from the environment, and then from there I created a three-dimensional model, and that three-dimensional model was then exported in a format for the engineers and the fabricators to actually look at how it was going to be assembled. And I also worked with Anodizers WA to create some custom golden anodizing colours so that we could get a range of colours across the artwork. The central spine of the artwork features 230 curved aluminium tubes, and there are over 2,600 vertical tubes hanging down representing the stalactites. The aluminium tubes were custom cut and bent, and they were assembled on a rack, taken to the local anodizers, and then from there they reassembled it into the arrangement that you see today. The artwork stretches over 30 metres and spans almost the entire length of the train station, and it will give a really nice flow as people move through the space. It's really exciting creating a work that's going to be seen by so many commuters, and as they move through the space it'll be quite dynamic, and it does get a real sense of movement and flow through the area. I started some consultation with the local community through the Yanchep Beach Primary School, and I had them explore the local flora and fauna of Yanchep. It was really exciting working with the students because they brought their own energy and excitement about the project, and they were really creative and did some really exciting work, and we were able to create an artwork that spanned their classroom. Their energy and enthusiasm was just fantastic. Public art brings a uniqueness to every single train station, and it's a really wonderful experience to be able to go through a train line, and at every single station you're seeing something new that reflects the character of each place.